Yo, what up, y'all? Today's a real special day. Check it out. We got the Sherpa $1,000 roof rack for the Toyota Sequoia. Boom, check it out over there, yo. Got the stock joint on there now. About to throw this aftermarket one on. Then we about to mount some machine guns on the top afterwards. We got my homie Ray International out this joint, help me out. We got everything laid out. Ready to rock. Let's go ahead and take this joint out. Let's see what we got, y'all. Dope. There's all the pieces, y'all. And then these are the what are these, the brackets or something right here. Got a Sherpa sticker. All right, y'all, so what we're doing right now is getting the screws and washers below them, and then we're putting the T-nuts, which are these weird looking joints right here. We'll slide them into the thing right here, and then we're putting the screws into there. So this is how it goes right here. As y'all can see, we're putting in 6 of them right now. Yeah, not easy, y'all. The instructions is decent, but they ain't really descriptive. Yeah, but basically you're putting this on here so that you can put the bolts in right here and get this front piece on here. This is the front and then all the way back. Once you get them all in, go ahead and tighten them up. Not too tight. Boom, check it out. Looking good. All right, y'all, so these brackets, the labels. So this is BFF, which means front. This is BFM, which is middle. And then these are right here are BFR, which is rear. So that's where they're gonna mount to, okay? So these go in the rear, middle, front, okay? So now what we're gonna do is in the instructions, they tell us to get those same little, the T-joints that go in here, slide them in, and boom, like this, okay, y'all? And we're gonna put a screw and a washer behind it. All right, y'all, so here goes the screws and the black washers that we're gonna use. Put them into here. I already got the these things slid in here. Boom, now we're just gonna put it on there and tighten them up. All right, so we got it all on there. Just hand tight for right now until I get it everything, you know, locked in. We got that on that side, that on that side. And we're gonna do the other ones also, y'all. All right, so the next step, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and come over to the Sequoia.
Rip these damn things off.
Yeah, rip them plastic pieces off. The spots where the screws are. So we got one right here that we take off, one in the center, and then one on the edge right here. And you see it exposes the screws behind it. Those are the ones we're gonna take off using this rusty old tool right here. Oh shoot, drill down. Oh man. Oh man, I really dropped it. Now I gotta get the drill from underneath the truck. Next step. We're up on top of the roof. I just took these 2 screws out. We're taking these ones out right here. I just took this one out. I'm about to take the other one out. Screw should come out of there. Now we're gonna get these screws out of here over here. This should be, yep, same thing. Take the rest of them out and let's see. All right, y'all, once you get that off, it should just pop up. Should be able to lift it up. All right. Now we can go throw this down the road in the corner where all the other trash gets thrown. All right, guys, now that we got the roof rack off, the other way on, what we're gonna do now is, look at how dirty this is. I'm gonna wipe these down with some Windex and take this middle piece off right here. It should be just one screw right there, the same size bit right there. So boom, taking that out, taking that screw out also, and the whole bracket should just come off. Actually, I'll show y'all right now me doing it. It's live action. Boom, and then the whole thing should just come right off. There we go. I saw one dude talking about be careful of the bracket in here falling down inside, then you gotta take the whole headliner out. I don't know if that's true or not, but I would be careful, you know, kind of mess around with here. I wouldn't hit this with a hammer or nothing crazy because that might fall down in there for real. So now we're getting the first front rack on. I got everything wiped down, all the 6, you know, mounting points. We had to push these brackets in a little bit towards the inside to, you know, make room for the mounting points. And right below the mounting points, we got the rubber gaskets or whatever to protect the paint on the ride. We're getting it done, y'all. Let's put the other 3 on here. Step by step, we're getting there. Make sure you put these washers on here, okay? What I'm about to show y'all in this part of the video is wrong, okay? Put these washers on here. Don't put the other ones that I'm putting on right now in the video, okay? I put these ones on, okay? All right, and then tighten them down to 22 pounds or whatever, or to their flat. Don't tighten them any more than that. Making some fine adjustments over here. We got the one, there's only one in the center. And then on these front and rear, they got 2 mounting points. I just got them hand tight for now, and these in the middle are loose, so we can adjust them in and out. I went through and took some of the bolts out when I went ahead and put Loctite on them, just like the medium strength stuff. I went ahead and put them on all these joints. We got the back row on too. All of them going the same. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in here now. All right, y'all, we got them. Now we're smooth sailing from now on. So now we're gonna go ahead and tighten these up right here. these bolts down to 22 pounds of torque. My hand is a human torque wrench, so I got it perfect. If you guys got the tool, go ahead and use it. All right, y'all, so we got the side on now. And we had to loosen up all the bolts right here on this back left corner in order to get these top ones in, because this back one didn't want to line up. Now we're messing with the front, keeping everything loose, that way we can make adjustments. Just getting these dialed in there. Want me to hold it on the other side? We got the front panel locked in, you know, by hand, and we're getting this right side on now. So it looks like this back one on this side also is having a hard time lining up perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up this bolt right here. Boom. Now we're just lining it up, making sure it's even on these two seals right here. Push it.
That way a little bit.
Dang, is these joints? Oh, maybe they, you sure?
Yeah.
And maybe so we got it all lined up how we like it. I pushed it more to the front. You can see these ones right here are slid all the way back pretty much. And now we're just tightening up underneath the head, these 11mm joints. And I'm tightening this on the outside right here. These little all the way down, all right? And everything that hasn't been tightened up already is getting tightened. And then after that, we'll just add in the extra center rail pieces, you know what I mean? The mounting points. And then we'll be done, y'all. These joints right here. And put them through here into these rails. I got the rails laid down on top of the roof. They're not, you know, installed at all. Basically, I'm gonna pull this up, line it up to the correct marker on this side and on that side. Hand tighten them in. I'll adjust to where I want them and tighten them up. So basically do that to this one, you know, boom, that one, all of them until they all get tightened up. Remember to use the black washers on all the bolts that are sticking out on the outside. So these ones, black. And on the inside right here, I made the mistake of putting the black ones up in here, but you want to use the silver ones right here that match these bolts right here, the silver bolts. That way you have more black washers at the end of the build to put on the outside of the ride, okay? Got 5-0. I ain't pop wheelies around the neighborhood on my dirt bike right now. Maybe that's what they probably looking for. Now, I'm a mechanic right now. I'm in mechanic mode. I went ahead, as you can see, and I put into place all those, you know, roof rack lines or whatever you call them. Tighten it up. These last two right here, y'all. This will be the last step right here. If you got power tools, it'll make it 10 times easier. Boom, y'all. And we are all done, y'all. Check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little zoom back. A little outside view on it. Let me get rid of this ladder, close the doors, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Way better than the OEM one, y'all. Looks nice and tough. Check it out, y'all. We all done. Got the new headlights on this joint. Got a new roof rack on this joint. And a little tarp thing to come out like a little tent. Yeah. Got the whole line of ES is down and out with a flat tire. Will become new tires is about to be here soon. I got the low rider, the low. With the fur dash in it. Player.
Wrong dummy.